the world turns slow. A quiet peace begins to grow. The fire hums a gentle tune, a moment stolen from the moon. Holiday rest, a gift so sweet, a stolen breath, a calm retreat in the stillness. Hearts align, a sacred pause in borrowed time. The lights that twinkle in the night whisper dreams of soft delight. The clock hands halt, they take a bow. The world is hushed, it's only now. Holiday rest, a gift so sweet, a stolen breath, a calm retreat in the stillness. Hearts align, a sacred pause in borrowed time. No rush, no race, no need to flee. Just you, just us, eternity. A simple joy that fills the air, a fleeting love. I found your photo in a broken drawer. The smile it held, I can't ignore. The time we lost, it cut so deep. A love we had, I couldn't keep. Memories are sadder than love. They linger long when push comes to shove. They echo loud in the quietest night. A shadowed flame, no warmth, no light. Your laughter's ghost, it haunts my head. Words unspoken, the things we said. The clock ticks on, but it won't erase the hollow ache, your empty space. A room once full now feels so bare. Your perfume lingers in the air. The walls still hum with what was true, but nothing here belongs to you. Memories are sadder than love. They cling like whispers sent from above. They weigh like chains that won't let go. A bittersweet pain I'll always know. So I hold on, though it's never enough. Memories are sadder than love. They're all I have when the night's too rough. Memories are sadder than love. The clock ticks out, but the room stays still. Shadows stretch like they always will. Whispers of thoughts I can't ignore echo through this quiet war. Time spent alone feels like a friend and foe, a place to hide, but a place to grow. The silence speaks in a voice so clear. In my own mind, I disappear. The mirror cracks, but it shows the truth. A faded picture of my youth. The walls lean in, but I stand tall in the void. I found it all. Time spent alone feels like a friend and foe, a place to hide, but a place to grow. The silence speaks in a voice so clear. In my own mind, I disappear. It's not the dark that I fear the most. It's the ghosts of words I'm left to host. But through the haze I start to see this time alone sets me free. Time spent alone feels like a friend and foe, a place to hide, but a place to grow. talks in a voice so clear. In my own mind, I disappear. Under the stars, where shadows sway, a gentle breeze takes the night away. Softly we hum a tune so sweet as moonlight dance at our feet.